Compressed air tanks store real energy. A small defect or blocked safety valve can turn an air receiver into a hazard. Here's what you must know in 60 seconds. First, always check the nameplate for the MAWP and code bases, usually ASME or PED. This data defines your safe operating limits. Second, never isolate your pressure relief valve. It must always have an open path to the vessel to prevent overpressure. Third, drain condensate regularly. Standing water causes internal corrosion, which is the leading cause of sudden tank failure. Before maintenance, isolate, depressurize, and verify zero pressure. Never assume a tank is safe just because the power is off. With ASME 2025 updates mandatory in 2026, stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe for our full safety checklist. Stay safe.